In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this Open Interpreter. Open Interpreter is a new tool, or you can say it's an open source platform that enables LLMs or large language models to run your code on your own local machine. It offers a natural language interface for a wide range of general tasks such as managing your browser to perform research, and then maybe generating, cleaning, and analyzing large data sets. And it also enables you to edit, create photos, videos, PDFs, and much more. The good thing about Open Interpreter is that it is free and local alternative to OpenAI's code interpreter. Now, this is a bit of a murky statement if you look at their GitHub repo, because at one point it says that it is free, but then it asks you to provide the OpenAI's API key, which primarily means that you would have to go and buy that subscription from OpenAI, which really throws a cold water on this great tool otherwise. Anyway, it says that it also works with the open source models like Code Llama and stuff, but then you would have to locally host them, and then you need to call them at least. So it's not as free as you would think, but still a good alternate that instead of having a SaaS product like OpenAI's code interpreter, you can use this open interpreter locally on your own system, whether it's AWS, Google Colab, on even your own proprietary servers. Now, some of the good features for this open interpreters are that it supports code execution in Python, JavaScript, and also the shell scripts, and it also features a chat GPT inspired interface for a seamless interactive coding section. It also delivers an interface design for specific programmatic commands, which helps in more focused task execution. Behind the scene, what it does is does it utilizes a function calling language model supported by OpenAI, which primarily employs the GPT-4, which means you have to pay for it. But as I mentioned earlier, it also allows you to use Code Llama or any other Hugging Face model, but that is bit of a cryptic at the moment. The licensing is good. Under the MIT license, it is available for both personal and commercial use. Now, let me give you a walkthrough of a Google Colab provided by Open Interpreter, and I will drop the link in video's description too. If you open their Google Colab, the installation is very simple. Thankfully, all you need to do, after of course grabbing your Open API key, you need to simply do pip install Open Interpreter, and that's about it, which is great because it includes everything you need to get it installed. And then you just need to import that Open Interpreter, specify your Open API key, and then simply make this true. And then this is how you use it. Just enable the chat functionality and ask it in natural language what you want to do. We are asking it to print hello world. It has created this single liner command and also given you the output. Now, if you look at a bit more complex example, we are starting a chat session with this open interpreter just like ChatGPT, and we are asking it to do this thing. And now it has given you this program and also its output and bit of a commentary on it. And this is not the only thing it can do. It can also do the web browsing for you. As you can see here, we just started a chat session, gave it this prompt, and then it provided you the whole command. And it also went in and installed this feed parser to get this headlines from this article, because it will just iterate through that code like this in for loop. Then there are various other use cases in their collab where you can use a PDF file, you can do some video manipulation and a lot of other things. And then you just reset it like this. So this is it. As I said, I will drop the link in video's description. I wish that they wouldn't make this OpenAI API key. Then it will be good to just simply use it with Code Llama or any other open source properly free model. Anyway, please share your feedback in description after video's description, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.